Signal Talks, episode 9.
Guys, we need to fix this, Nihesh.
Yeah, we've got. Wait, put up one hand. Yeah, episode 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Correct. Valentine's Day today, guys.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. So today we are doing something very, very special. One, we released our song from Everyone Wants This.
Called Different Waves, Same Ocean.
And we are in CBD.
Yeah.
Because Mane and Sar will not come outside. And we are going to do some promotions. We will see how people are reacting to our song. So,
See you on the other side.
What is love? Love is togetherness.
nice. When is love?
It's when you start feeling it
Where is love?
everywhere around you.
And how to love?
How to love?
How to love?
I think there's no way to love. It just happens.
Okay, why to love?
Why to
Why is love?
love keeps you moving.
Nice. What is it?
So what is love to me?
I don't know, understanding, maybe seeing somebody completely. Yeah.
Why is love?
Because people are meant to love. So,
Where is love?
your home, where your heart feels most comfortable, I think.
When is love?
I don't know yet.
And how to love?
Give yourself to people. Give your 100%.
Very nice. What is love?
Togetherness, friendship, and better understanding.
Why is love?
Love is in the air,
Where is love?
everywhere.
When is love?
Anytime, anywhere, it's available. Just have to find it.
And
How?
how to love?
It depends on person to person, but yeah, I feel like when we have to love someone, have to be like little bit of kind, have to show respect, and I feel this is love. I mean, it's not about loving the person or loving a partner or loving a wife, but we can love everyone. Basically.
Yeah, what is love?
Love for me, it's like a feeling.
Okay, why is love?
That's an answer anyway.
Yeah.
Why is love?
Why is love? Because we are humans and we have to socialize and we need love to survive.
Okay, where is love?
Where it's nowhere, it's inside your mind.
Okay, when is love?
When you really feel very happy, peaceful, without any worries, like a baby, then it's a love.
Okay, how to love?
How to love? Just be as you are, and yeah, that's it.
Awesome.
What is love?
Love is accepting the other person for who they truly are.
When is love?
Wait, let her answer. Jesus. What? She's right here. Yeah.
Same question or
Yeah. What is love?
I think just the feeling of home.
Wow. Why is love?
That's what humans do. That's what everyone does.
Why is love?
And how to answer that question?
Okay, where is love? Is it in your head, in your chest, in your bum?
I think that's a dream.
Everywhere?
Anywhere, any small thing that you find on the street that you like, or a person that you like, or a thing that you like, everything, all of it together.
Okay, when is it?
When it happens,
When it happens.
It's unexpected,
Unexpected. Okay, how to love?
without effort.
Without effort. Effortlessly.
Effortlessly, yes.
that's actually a good answer. Damn. How
Now you're putting in effort.
put in effort? How to wholeheartedly?
Nice, very nice.
What is love? And the camera. Okay.
Yeah. What is love?
You just said what?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Why is love?
I mean, I guess it's necessary for I don't know how to say it.
Okay, then
When is love?
when is love?
Every day, every minute, every second.
Where is
Love.
love?
Over there.
Okay.
Camera. And
Okay.
how to love?
There are so many ways, like maybe comfort them every day and let them know every day and every minute, every hour. So, maybe.
Okay.
Not anything after Valentine's Day actually.
Oh, happy. That's. I didn't know it was a video.
Oh, you're looking at that thing.
No, I didn't even see that. I was just looking at myself.
Oh, okay.
What is love, Akshara?
Biryani.
Why is love?
Constipation.
That's my.
Where is love?
My plate. When is love?
During ovulation.
Correct only.
How to love?
Live when they live.
What is love?
What is love? Oh, it's a feeling inside you.
Love is when you can do everything together. And tomorrow we've been together for 40 years. That's love.
Wow, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Why is love?
Why is love? To have a life companion, I think.
I don't think people can live without love. Without love, your life would be empty. You need love.
Where is love?
Where is love?
Yeah, is it in your head, your chest, in your bum?
Hopefully all over. It's all over.
All over.
Especially in India.
Where? When is
When
love?
is love?
What?
When is love?
When is
When?
love?
Yeah,
Wait. It's always.
always.
Yeah. Okay.
I think love is when you would rather fight
Okay.
than divide.
Wow.
That was clever.
Nice. Very nice. Last question. How to love?
So again,
How to love?
how to love? That's a hard one, but to be able to give yourself away.
And to be able to always make room for each other. Even if you don't want to do the same things,
Make
make
room.
compromises.
Signal Talks! We had a very entertaining day today.
Oh yeah.
We went to Church Street and that complex was very interesting. So many people.
Yeah.
Eh,
Clearly Valentine's Day another Vasik is working. Hey! Yeah. Yeah, Akshara got flowers today.
Thank you, Nihesh.
You're welcome, Akshara.
So, pro tip to all the women: ask and you shall get. Don't expect. Ask. I want flowers. I want flowers.
And pick them.
I pick them. You get it off.
And you get it.
Yeah, and so many vendors. So we basically got some very interesting answers for our questions. What is love? Why is love? Where is love? When is love? How to love? We figure it out together. Different ways.
Same ocean. Actually, a a couple which was married for 40 years, they said she actually said the words, when we are together, everything happens,
Yes.
and that's quite literal.
Yes. So I think it took 40 years of marriage for her to figure 40 years of happy marriage for her to figure it out together.
Yeah.
Different waves, same
Ocean.
ocean.
Oh my goodness. So guys, you should tell us, what is love according to you? Why is love according to you? Where is love? Is it in your head? Is it in your chest? Is it in your bum? When is love?
It's in a lot of people's crotch.
Yes. Yeah. And how to love? Okay, guys. Are you ready?
Tokyo Drift is happening.
Ding,
Ting,
ding,
ting,
ding,
ting,
ding,
ting,
ding,
ting, 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 ting. Casa Paria. Na 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 ni no. Ni ni na ni Tokyo. Ni ni na ni if you get it. Shit, I'm the worst person with lyrics, by the way. And the tune. So, my friend Flux, like, hi Flux. So she's my Google, she's my Shazam. She understands me. And if I'm like, hey, what is that song that day? Tang 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 tang. That one Instagram song also, la 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 la. She'll actually send me the right song.
Oh my goodness.
She's my Shazam.
She's your Shazam.
Yeah.
The fact that they understand what you're trying to say.
Yes. Even Google doesn't understand me.
Of course.
One thing to our fans that we would like to say is we are really sorry that we haven't been so consistent with Signal Talks posting is because
We're doing something very exciting. And that exciting thing is
everyone wants this!
Okay, I think we should say it not like Signal Talks because everyone wants this. Everyone wants this.
जो किस्सा एक ख्वाब सब कुछ चाहिए एक साथ चाहिए
अभी चाहिए.
Yeah, see, that is my Shazam level.
Everyone wants this.
एक किस्सा
एक ख्वाब. Then what's the lyrics?
Fuck.
Oh my
the
God.
song and we forgot.
Oh.
Because we've been so obsessed with different ways.
Yeah,
Couple of
and it's not like we're just doing one song. There's 7 songs in this.
Oh, we're
And-
very excited to share that with you.
Yes, and it's an end all solution to solution to desires.
And अब क्या?
And ab kya? That's an incredible song, guys. I worked really hard on that song, as well as the song really captures desire, and then after you achieve your desire, what do you get after that? So अगर सब कुछ मिल जाए तो अब क्या? And so that is what the song is about.
That's what people did in that island.
Yeah. And we talk about that island and its things. After they get everything, also these people, whoever were there on that island, they had everything. And after that, also they did the craziest, insane things that were there. And to what? To live longer or live forever? My God, do you really want to?
And the whole point is these videos were released
Yeah,
openly,
and
none of them have been arrested.
no arrest.
What's up with you guys, USA? क्या चल रहा
USA,
है तुम लोगों का?
USA has a lot of issues.
नहीं, हमारा भी चल रहा है. Some that pan masala dude's son ran over some people. He got caught and then he got bail immediately.
In 4 hours.
And then that one person who fell in the ditch,
Yeah.
and the guy who didn't inform the police, he just called his boss
Oh.
and he just informed the boss, and the boss informed police. He got arrested.
Yeah, the bystander, just to clarify, the bystander was arrested because he didn't call the cops. He rather called his boss. And this is a bystander in India. That means he's a worker. Okay. So a person who died because of a road accident, a huge ditch, not in a, it was a
Not
hole.
one tooth. It was
A hole, a swimming pool in the middle.
Bavi.
Yeah, it was like a well in the middle of the road, and the innocent man just dies in that, and the bystander gets arrested. And the reason that the khaki gives is that they didn't call the police station, rather they called somebody else. And that is the state of our affairs in this planet, in this world, in this reality. You sick, sycophantic little...
So India, what's up with you guys? Like really?
You leave rapists and murderers out on the street and you put activists in jail. Fantastic. Engineer activists. Guys who are really
There was
brilliant.
a movie after him and that became a blockbuster.
Yeah, and the guys who are arresting him, you guys have nothing, you can't even hold a candle to this guy. And you guys are doing this. One day the tables are going to turn and we are going to find.
How the turntables.
Yes. One day.
We might be laughing right now, we might be giggling, but it's the hard truth.
Yes. You, whoever is watching, at some point of time, you must wake up. This thing that we are doing, it's not for just shits and giggles. Yes, shits and giggles are a good thing, but there is a point behind all of this. And you have to wake up at some point. So I hope all this circus gets your attention, and then maybe you do something productive with your life.
So we are at
MG Road Signal.
Anil Kumble.
Oh, Anil Kumble
Is
Circle. Yeah, Anil Kumble Circle.
Is it? I have one. I'm going to be doing this today. Yeah. Okay. So we are at Anil Kumble.
You come and tell me this.
That's what I'm doing this.
Okay. There you go. Now we are at Anil Kumble Circle.
We are at Anil Kumble circle.
Okay.
We're stuck in the
Loop. We're stuck in Anil. Guys, we're stuck in Anil Kumble circle. Hey, I went to.
We are in Anil Kumble. The Anil Kumble circle is opened up.
Oh.
So today we saw a lot of red happening for Valentine's Day. So many, it was very cute actually. I liked how so many lovers were out. सब घर पे झूठ बोल के आए हैं देखा.
Yeah, some people definitely झूठ बोल
Like
के
we
आए.
know we're not coming on video. साथ में तो नहीं आएंगे. सब separately आ रहे हैं. So we know that झूठ बोल के आए हो. हमने नहीं किया ऐसा.
Yeah.
Have you all been attacked by certain political group to not celebrate love?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we have a question.
Yeah.
What was the meters from that signal to the signal?
About 100 meters maximum.
100 meters. Which is a dipper. Why do you have to go dippers? Why do you have to overtake in that? We were also on a decent speed. You
The
don't-
craziest stupid thing, that fellow wanted to go front. He put in flash. Okay, I just kept my constant speed. He went full zigzagging. Green signal. He stopped on the left hand side.
Because
I
of
took
We
the
were
correct-
maintaining our
We
way.
maintained our thing. We didn't even stop for the signal.
So guys, this is why we started Signal Talks. To open your eyes.
Yeah.
And the people who's doing this is actually you.
Yeah.
You are doing this. And very recently a friend of mine, okay, I caught him coming in the wrong way. And I literally told him, bro, why? It was just like 20 meters away, there was a U-turn. No, didn't want to take that. Wanted to go in the wrong. Why? So it is you are doing that.
And if you heard that, why?
Yeah, you might be this NRI returned.
Or you may not be from NRI return. You may be from some small area also.
Who cares?
Okay, whatever area you are
You
from.
are complaining about the fucking traffic. You are complaining about our fucking country. You are our country, motherfuckers. Fix yourself. The government will fix itself.
Yeah. See, there is one more thing, no, Akshara. The other day you said something really cool, and
I always say something really cool.
yeah. What struck me was you said when they made this thing, you said, hey, the Nihesh, they had actually tried this, they made it, and then what happened, Akshara? I said, you know what you said? People happened. You said this word, and then people happened. That means the best laid out engineered plan, and then people with their civic sense, destroyed something really good. So maybe people don't deserve good things,
Maybe people really deserve dictatorship.
or maybe they do deserve what they're getting.
I will be your dictator.
Yeah, we'll be dictator. One couple dictator.
I will be a dictator.
Yeah. Bad cop, even worse.
Biryani tindre.
Hey Akshara, tell them about the clap and snap.
Okay, so Nihesh has a thing. I mean, he has a thing. At least I think he has a
Yes,
thing.
I definitely have a thing.
Okay, but he has a signature style.
Yeah,
Anytime he agrees to anything,
yeah, do it. You do it. I'm driving.
my hands are with someone.
Okay.
So then I know he's agreed. If he doesn't, he'll be like, okay, we'll see. And I have somebody who'll be like, no. Yes. No. Veto.
But she caught it. So nobody else had got that thing where every time I agree with something, I clap and snap. So I'm like, and
Yeah.
it came in the news also.
Yeah, and
This
it's
was-
always Nihesh's hand.
Hey, now I'm not covering you, no?
That's because you're driving. Your hands are busy.
Thank God, or else so much. Last time she gave a bottle in my hand, said, you catch this.
That also went somewhere else, no?
Yeah.
Anyway, automatic gari, you don't need two hands. Oh, look here. Hi.
Hi. You again?
This fellow's flashing again. I hope that was caught on camera.
Yeah, so much flashing. My eyes have become this thing.
If you guys can
that?
see the thing, the background at the back is on green screen. This is the speed we are going in a same line.
the fuck is that? 4939. Hey, car number.
Call this uncle if you're watching. We can be snitches.
There is a app which says that we can.
Moonji, nothing works.
Nothing works.
Nothing works. That Moonji only will work.
Signal Talks episode 9. Guys, we've been trying to do the end scene for some time now because we went through something. We went through something.
What will people think?
Yeah.
The first nail in your coffin.
Yeah. So this reminder came just now recently in the
We
previous
would have
take.
saved some 2 hours of our lives.
We would have saved 2 hours of our lives. We would have been a little bit more calmer, and thank God for that. This is why, Akshara, when we are together, everything happens, right?
Positive and
I don't know. It's yin and yang or Shakti or this or what. We have to still find that out. But today is Valentine's Day, and we did ask a lot of questions to the Janta that was there, and then they gave us their answers on what is love, why is love, where is love, when is love, and especially how to love.
ये प्यार नहीं बस एहसास नहीं
ये वो ताकत है जिससे सब कुछ होता है.
ಇದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೇವಲ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಡೆಯುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ இது காதல் மற்றும் இல்லை இது ஒரு சக்தி
Yeah.
எல்லாவற்றையும் நடக்க வைக்கும் சக்தி
Yeah.
இது ప్రేమం మాత్రమే కాదు ఇది ఒక శక్తి అన్ని జగనానికి కారణమైన శక్తి Different
Waves, same ocean. So bye guys, enjoy the song Different Waves, Same Ocean. And love freely, that's what we we came to know with all the guys and people. So enjoy yourselves, have a wonderful
पैसा
day.
नहीं लगता लेकिन 120 रुपया तो लगता ही है.
Bye.
Love like this, we build empires. Love like this, we build futures. Love like this, we make dreams come true. ये प्यार नहीं, बस एहसास नहीं, ये वो ताकत है जिससे सब कुछ होता है. ಇದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೇವಲ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಡೆಯುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ. காதல் மட்டும் இல்லை இது ஒரு சக்தி எல்லாவற்றையும் நடக்க வைக்கும் சக்தி. ఇది ప్రేమ మాత్రమే కాదు ఇది ఒక శక్తి అన్నీ జరగడానికి కారణమైన శక్తి. Different waves, same ocean. When we're together, everything happens. Different waves, same ocean. When we're together, everything happens. Same ocean. Love like this, we build empires. Love like this, we build futures. Love like this, we make dreams come true. ये प्यार नहीं, बस एहसास नहीं, ये वो ताकत है जिससे सब कुछ होता है. ಇದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೇವಲ ಭಾವನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಡೆಯುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ. இது காதல் மட்டும் இல்லை இது ஒரு சக்தி எல்லாவற்றையும் நடக்க வைக்கும் சக்தி. இது ప్రేమ మాత్రమే కాదు ఇది ఒక శక్తి అన్నీ జరగడానికి కారణమైన శక్తి Different way Same ocean when we're together everything happens Different way Same ocean when we're together everything happens